Hello students, today we are going to study about translator and its types. In the previous video I have discussed about what is computer languages. So if you want to access that video you can click on that link which is given in the description box. So we have three types of computer languages: machine level language, high level language and assembly level language. And what is translator? Now see, translator is a programming language processor which converts a computer program from one language to another, which means translator is a system software or language processor which is used to translate or converts the high level and assembly level language into machine level language. But why do we need this translator? For example, if your friend is speaking English and you are talking in French, will you be able to understand each other? No. So we need a third person who knows both the languages so that you can communicate and understand each other. In the same way, in computer, we generally write a computer program using a high level or assembly level languages. But these languages are not directly understood by the computer because computer understands the program which is written in zeros and ones, which means in a binary or machine level language. So we need a translator to convert or translate this code into low level and machine level language so that the computer can understand the instructions given by the user. Now see how it works. Translator takes a source code and converts it into machine code, and machine code is also known as object code. What is source code and object code or machine code? A program written in high level language is called as source code, and the output which we get from a compiler is known as object code or machine code. Here you can see in the given diagram that a user is giving the instructions in high level language, but computer does not understand this code because computer understand only low level language. So computer needs a translator. Okay. Now see, a source code which is in the form of high level language, high level code is converted by the translator into the object code or machine code. We have three types of translator: compiler, interpreter and assembler. Now we will talk about compiler. It is a software or translator which converts high level language program into low level or machine level, and machine level is in the form of zeros and ones, which is binary code. Compiler firstly scan the source code to eliminate the duplicity and then check all these instructions written in the program for syntax errors, and if any error are found, the compiler report them or display the error message. It takes whole program at once, which means a compiler compiles the complete program, whole program at a time. You can see here high level language code is converted by the compiler into machine level code or language. One more thing, a compiler can translate only those programs which have been written in the language for which the compiler is meant. This means each high level language will have its own compiler. Okay. Now talk about interpreter. Similar to a compiler, interpreter is also a translator which is used to convert high level language program into low level language. Okay, it accepts instructions and generates machine code line by line, which means in this translator each time the program is executed, that is why it makes the program execution slow. At the time of execution, the control does not move to the next line unless the previous line or statement is error free. And the difference between compiler and interpreter is compiler compile the program at once, but interpreter reads one instruction of the program at a time. You can see here, high level language is converted by the interpreter into the machine level language. Now see assembler. It is also a program or translator that converts assembly level language into machine code. It takes the basic commands and operations from assembly code and converts them into machine code or binary code that can be recognized by a specific type of processor. Here you can see assembly level code is converted by the assembler into the machine level language or machine level code, which means all the languages has to be converted into the low level language with the help of these translator. Now you can see here what we have learned today in this video in short. Compiler converts high level language into machine level language. Interpreter is also used to convert high level language into machine level language, but the difference is compiler reads the complete program and translate the complete program at once, but interpreter reads the program and translate the program line by line, which means it reads one instruction at a single time. And assembler converts assembly level code into machine level code. And now in the last, you can pause the video and write these important terms which we have discussed in this video. Thank you.